Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We got called out tonight in Groton, Connecticut at one of the banks out here, and they said that they have a drain that's not able to be flushed out. They can't do anything to get it clear. So what we did is we jetted the line, the camera inspected, and we saw that there was a major rust buildup. So what we had to do is resurface it. This is some of the equipment that we have to use. This is a guide, and the guide doesn't allow the chain to go past the point. This is just a demo to show you what it does. This will spin around centrifugally at a very high RPM, and it will completely resurface the pipe without having to excavate. When you have a business and you need to keep it running, you don't want to have to do all kinds of demolition work, shut the business down, and spend all kinds of money on demo. You can actually get away with resurfacing, prolong the life of the pipe, and continue in business. Thank you for watching our video. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.